Okay, here on the left to the furniture hall. Be careful. We're going to see the furniture. Beautiful furniture. So this is the emperor's seat. We're not able to walk into those palaces built along the central axis, but most of those palaces had similar furniture like this combination, the emperor's throne and the piece of huge decoration screen. And the throne and the screen are decorated with the Chinese dragons. Chinese dragons are very different from the Western dragons. Chinese dragons are the symbol of power, dignity, the majesty, or the good luck, and which used as the totem, and has been worshipped in this country for more than like 3,000 or 5,000 years. Right. So that is totem. That's a holy creator in this country, as opposed to the dragon in the Western ideology. That is an evil image, and always defeated or killed by this hero at the end of the story. They're different. Chinese dragon should be pronounced like. Yeah.
Chinese dragons.
How to say that? Chinese. Long. Yes, that's the name of this creature. Long. So decorated with a jade dragon on the throne and a box of wood made dragon on the screen. Yeah, 9 dragons. 5 dragons stay in the middle and flanked by the other 4 of them, make a total of 9 dragons, representing the supreme power, the utmost power in that heavenly number system, which composed by 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Those odd numbers are considered as the heavenly numbers in the Book of Changes. Number 9 stays on the top, representing the utmost power. And number 5 stays in the middle, which keeps the balance of those heavenly numbers. That's why the emperors are called 9 and 5 supremacy. Wow. Two most important numbers in the heavenly number system.
9 and 5?
Yes. Okay. That's why no matter those furniture and the buildings, many of them contains the number 9 in the Forbidden City and the Temple of Heaven.
And they're on the clothes too, right?
Yeah, on their clothes.
That's how you can tell if they're emperor and emperor's families, because their family are not allowed to have the claws that has.
Yeah, even the royal family members, they could wear the dragon robe, dragon clothes, but which is different, distinguished from the number of the clouds. Number 5, that refers to the emperor. 4, 3 refers to those high-ranking officials and family members.
The chairs keep getting bigger.
Yes, those 2 are the camping chairs for the emperor. Camping chairs.
Camping chairs?
Yes, when the emperor went out for hunting or went out for camping, people would bring those camping chairs for the emperor. Asher, what does that chair looks like this is made from? What kind of material does it look like?
Does it look like maybe an animal?
Then,
Oh,
yeah. So that's the elk antlers. It's made by the whole side of the deer antlers, haunted by a very famous emperor in Chinese history. Emperor Kangxi and his grandson had people made that throne for his grandfather.
Camping chair.
What is?
Which emperor got that camping chair?
The emperor in the Qing dynasty.
Everyone.
Yeah. Yes. Emperor Kangxi, Emperor Yongzheng, the father and son, around the time of 16 or 17 something. The biggest one for the most famous emperor in the Qing dynasty. So that's another combination of emperor throne and a screen made by the Huanghua wood, the most popular wood for making the furniture in the Ming and Qing dynasty, which is a type of the rosewood. And decorated with ivory made clouds, towers, bridge, and the mountains and the trees are made of the chicken wing wood. Chicken wing wood is type of the redwood.
Okay.
Chicken wing wood, and there are 2 small figures over there made of the jade.
Oh, yeah, I see.
Yeah. Here, yeah, there's a huge closet, or armoire. You know that word, armoire?
No.
Armoire.
Yeah, armoire.
Yeah, it's like for
Yes.
putting your clothes in.
Yeah, that one made for the emperor to put the emperor's clothes and robes in. Is that beautiful?
All those different dragon things.
That's right. The dragons are flying in the cloud. That one is about 4 meters tall,
It's even taller than me.
Yes. Right over here. Asher, do you have like a reading desk on your bed?
Do you have a reading desk?
Do you have one?
Yeah.
You have one. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, but for my math homework when I come back from school.
Okay, this is how the emperor read the book. Right, sitting behind that desk, put a book on the top of that reading desk to read the book.
So you mean like this?
Yes, that's right.
It's a very skinny desk.
That's right. Excellent, and that is the way how the emperor read on their beds. So that's a reading desk. When they get tired, they can also put that desk behind their back, use it as a back support to get a rest. Look, there's a small fish tank. That is the emperor's fish tank.
You mean
The one over here on the right-hand side, this is the emperor's fish tank.
you mean the one that has like the holes in it?
No, that's the emperor's beautiful rock. Right here, this is the emperor's fish tank. Yes, it has two liners. The inner liner is filled with a pearl. Can you see the pearls from here? Yeah, we can see the pearls. If we had come here before the pandemic, we would be seeing a fish swimming inside. That's a beautiful table.
This thing. Why is that reflective?
Yeah, to make it beautiful, make it prettier.
Yeah, but there's like hot, why is there dark?
Over here, let's have a look.
It's an art exhibit, actually. It's to give it dramatic effect.
Yeah. There's a lantern over here. That lantern, what kind of material does it look like? It is made from. It looks like the glass, the leather, the plastic, but it's not. It's made by the gold horn. The gold horn? Yeah. Because the peppermint lanterns were not so popular back in the ancient dynasties, as most important buildings in the Forbidden City are made of wood, highly susceptible to catching the fire. That's why they use the gold horn lantern to substitute the peppermint lanterns. Basically, they would boil the gold horn into the hot water to make it very soft, and put this American football tube-like stuff into the horn to stretch it out to that side, make it transparent, and place a candle inside. That's the way to illuminate the palace back in the day.
The goat horns are essentially like protein, right? Like your
Yes.
fingernails. So that's why when they stretch it out, you can see through.
Yes, that's the way to illuminate the palace in the ancient time. That's a writing desk, writing the calligraphy.
That kind of looks like a library for the emperor.
We saw this huge armoire, the closet for the emperor. That one over here, this one used by the empress, for the empress.
Of course it was.
Yeah, it is a piece of the wedding gift, come along with the empress when she married Emperor Qianlong in 1727. The Empress Fucha. Yeah, 富察皇后的一件嫁妆啊。In 1727, when she married the emperor, she brought this beautiful armoire along with her to celebrate their wedding, which is decorated with more than 300 beautiful precious objects. They are made of the shell, the pearl, the jade, and the turquoise. To decorate this beautiful armoire, which is divided into 3 categories. The top part features all those human figures originated from the Chinese mythologies, while the central part shows a lot of foreigners. They're presenting the gift coming from their own country. Like they brought over the elephant, the camel, the lion to Chinese emperors. While the bottom part, which features a lot of babies and children, to which the emperor and empress would enjoy a larger family with a lot of babies. Is that cool?
Wait, why do I see a Japanese flag for the lion?
The Chinese rock.
Oh, I don't think it's a Japanese. Don't hang on the glass. He's asking if he thinks that the on top of the lion, that the black flag with the red circle is a Japanese flag.
Japanese flag
But
is
Japanese
white.
flag is white
and
with a red circle.
Good eyes.
And
It just kind of looks.
and that's their new flag. It used to actually had sun rays coming out a long time ago, and probably before that it looked even more different. I don't think that's the Japanese flag.
No, that's kind of, yeah.
It looks a little bit like it though. Good eye, but
Yeah, good eyes.